waited for this day for so long. Well, we're getting into the Texas brush country, as they call it. It's weird. Texas has got, and it's kind of why I love it. I love Texas because there's so many different types of terrain here. Where we're going, it's going to be low brush country. So a lot of mesquite, a few live oaks, just dirt roads, red rock. I mean, just real pretty brush country. These birds are very vocal down here. And we got a lot of senderos and stuff to work with. So, man, it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. Got a little ways to go and we'll be there. I'm going to pull up here to the gate. I'll let myself in. And then we pretty much have to immediately go out there and try to roost something. So we don't have a whole lot of time. Getting here a little later than I wanted to.
Here.
Huh?
Look, right over there.
Arrive at 1800 to 2000.
We got birds.
We all heard them?
A pile of them.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yeah. Opening day, Texas. Technically my first opening day of the year. Opening day for Rhett back in Alabama a week or so ago. Didn't get it done. Didn't have real long to do it. But today we're in Texas. And we haven't been here for 2 years, so I'm really excited for today's hunt. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a lot of turkeys over here. Big old pile of gobblers. That's what I love about Texas right there. They all get in one tree because there ain't many trees. So that's a little pond. The big one's still over there. So it dips down, that is super thick. I don't think they were wanting to come through that. I think they were just over there underneath those shade trees over there, just kind of. I don't know if they're gone or not, but we're gonna make a loop around back to where we were. Try over there. If they don't answer, we'll go find another bird. Alright, only got a few days to hunt here, so we're going to put up one of these wild game 360 cameras right here. Not seeing a lot of sign this year, man. Usually this road is just covered up with poop, tracks, strut marks. There's one gobbler that's walking through here. We just don't know when, so the problem is usually we're out here with a couple people, and so we kind of all have eyes and ears on everything and be able to tell when stuff's moving through, but without that, we rely on a trail camera, put that up, see if we can figure out when this guy's coming through here. We'll go hunt somewhere else tonight, let him do his thing, and then hopefully figure out what time of day he's coming through here. We've got this set up low for a reason, okay? Turkeys are a little bit lower than deer, so we've got it covering this whole area. If he hangs out over here, if he's coming in from this way, I want to be able to tell which way he's coming in from. So the 360 camera is perfect for that. We got every decoy known to man for our first afternoon here in Texas. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be sweaty, a lot of mosquitoes. You ready? You ready? Let's do it. roosted and roasted.
My ears are ringing, but
Look, I have waited for this day for so long. A day that I can double with my son. Y'all. Mac, that ought to have been epic, brother.
That was awesome. Did you see the one right here too?
We came in last night, right at roosting hour, and we thought they were roosted near this pond, so we set up this blind yesterday afternoon. And anyway, came in last night, listened, thought they were a little bit further past the pond, maybe even on the neighbors. And anyway, it ended up just being right there on that telephone pole. We were able just to silhouette them in the moonlight. So we slipped out of here, got in here really early this morning, and got it done. Got it done. Good work, bud. Proud of you. 4, baby. That weighs as much as I do.